Hello guys, Topsic Tech Repair, and today we're gonna have to unbox a product I bought from Shopee. I believe this is a thermal switch. I'll be installing this into a fan in another time. So for the meantime, we'll unbox this to see what's inside it. So here goes nothing. The product itself cost me 100 pesos, including free shipping. And this product, it's been well packed in bubble wrap to prevent damages. It says here a thank you sticker from the seller. Thank you, because I'm okay. Let me take a snapshot for this. And we're gonna have to unbox the product just yet. Some scissors here. My goodness, the product has been well packed. It's bubble wrap and a piece of cardboard. And oops. Here's our thermal switch. Nice. I have a better idea. Maybe I'll be installing this into the fan, and it's better than a thermal fuse. So that's it. I'm not going to install this just yet. So thank you guys for watching this video. Just stay safe.